Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a giant subscription box unboxing. I actually got both my Boxycharms and my Ipsy. This is my PR, so I figured I would go ahead and put it all in one video. I also do pay for these subscriptions myself, so if you guys want to see another video with my paid boxes, let me know down below. But I know a lot of people always get excited, especially for Boxycharm. I feel like I always get asked which one I usually like better, and typically I do like Boxycharm. The brands they include a little bit better. I know some sneak peeks, like I know they're doing a ANASTASIA box this month, so that is really exciting. I think the premium might be all ANASTASIA. I am not quite sure, but we will get into it. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, let's dive into my Boxycharm base box first. This one is $25 a month, and the theme this month is fantasy. So the base box shouldn't be Anastasia, it should be all different products. So the first thing I'm seeing, which is really exciting, is something from Pharmacy. We do receive a lot of Pharmacy and Boxycharm, which I love because it's one of my favorite brands, and I could definitely use a backup of this. I'm about halfway through my whipped greens cleanser right now, so that is really exciting to get this in the box. I just did a skincare declutter, so you might have seen this on there. It's an awesome one, especially for oily skin. If you guys like a good foaming cleanser that really foams up, you will love this one. So that is the Pharmacy whipped greens as our first product. The next product I received, this is actually from Billion Dollar Brow. I feel like we get this brand a lot. I don't actually try it very often, but I might actually try this because this does look like a nice sized pencil that I would use for my eyebrows. So this is the micro brow pencil. It looks very similar to the Anastasia one, and I did get the shade Taupe, which should work out for me. I usually can do blonde or taupe. Sometimes taupe is a little bit dark, but it should be fine. So it has the micro tip and then a spoolie at the end. But yeah, it literally looks practically identical to the Anastasia. Ooh, that is dark though. So I would have to use a very light hand. That one almost looks like a light brown, more than a taupe in my opinion. We also got this Dermalect. It's a retinol trifecta serum. I am really trying to clear out some skincare right now, so I might do a little giveaway at the end of this video. I love to give back to you guys with anything I don't plan on using, so I think I will throw this in there. But let's read a little bit about this because I'm not familiar. It says that it successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. Interesting. So it seems like it's going to be pretty good. It has retinol actives, it says, and it retails for $39. Let me see if I can just show you guys the packaging. Yeah, that's what this looks like. So nothing like super crazy packaging, pretty basic really. Next thing we got is, I think, another skincare product. This one actually looks really fun though. This is the Generation Skin, another kind of newer brand to me I haven't heard of. This is their Hydrating Marine Algae eye patches. It comes with 30 eye patches in here. I do like to use these from time to time. I do have some in my current collection, just one box, so maybe I will hold on to these. They do retail for $49.99 for these, but I like to use them like if your eyes are really puffy, like you didn't get enough sleep. Sometimes I'll use them if I have like an event that night, I want to look really good, I want my eyes to be hydrated, then I'll use like these little eye patches. And then we actually got some sponges. These are really cute. Well, at least the packaging is cute. They're kind of basic on the inside. This is from M2U NYC, and we got 4 latex free sponges. I might try these out and see how they are. Let me go ahead and feel them. I'm all about the softness. It says they're supposed to be, oh yeah, they are very soft. I'm kind of picky when it comes to my sponges, so we'll have to see how these compare, but feeling them, they feel really good. These retail for $20 for 4 different sponges, so got that as well in the Boxycharm. So that is everything in the base box. A little underwhelming, I would say. Very skincare heavy. I think we only got like, well, one makeup product, the eyebrow pencil. We did get the sponges. I do prefer a little bit more makeup, but I know some people like a little bit more skincare. But yeah, that's what I received in the Boxycharm base. Let's get into this premium, which I am so pumped about. Yes, okay, look. Boxycharm in Norvina, Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Let's see what we got. They pre-selected these products for me. And I'm really happy because I actually picked a different palette in the premium that I paid for. So it does come with a palette, spoiler alert if you didn't know. Also, they gave us a nice code to use on ANASTASIA, buy one, get one 50% off. That's actually really cool. So you can use ABHXBoxy. I'll have that code down below if you guys want to take advantage. But let's see what we got. This is $35 a month. And this is like, is it their second box takeover? I think the last one they did was probably a year ago with Fenty. So I'm curious to see if they'll be doing more of these. But usually we get a bunch of random brands. But this is the palette I got in this box, the volume 3. I was definitely hoping for this one because I feel like this is so fun for fall. This one has a very unique color scheme. I feel like these palettes really don't get much hype on YouTube, but they are actually very good. I have the volume 4 and volume 5. I just did a whole video on the new lilac one. Absolutely love it. The quality is amazing. Now I haven't tried the first 3, so I don't know how these compare, but the last 2 they came out with are amazing. But can you see how like fall this is? It's kind of crazy colors, but I feel like it's gonna create some really fun and unique looks. I'm really kind of excited to play with this and kind of branch out of my comfort zone with my eyeshadows because this is just stunning. I'm going to go ahead and insert swatches for you here if you guys want to see the swatches. But yeah, I'm excited to play with this one. I probably never would have purchased this on my own, but to get it in a $35 box is awesome. This retails for $60. I was always wondering why we never see the Norvina stuff at TJ Maxx. And maybe this is why, because they were doing a Boxycharm collab instead. Now we also got a bunch of other ANASTASIA things. Sorry if you hear any background noise. My kitten is playing down below. He's a little loud sometimes. But we got their loose setting powder. I actually really enjoy this powder. I feel like it's really mattifying. And we got the translucent. Now this one does almost have a white cast to it, so you really have to blend it out. But I do enjoy this powder a lot. This one retails for $38. I do have one already though, so I think I'm going to put this in a giveaway. We also got some lashes, which I'm really excited about too. These are the false lashes from them in, let's see, Snazzy. And the packaging is really pretty. Have not tried their lashes, so this is really fun for me as well. And then we also got, this is their Brow Definer Triangular Brow Pencil in Taupe again. I have not tried the triangle one. I always use the skinny one. I don't know if it's the micro brow or what, but I have not used this one from them. Again in Taupe, but I think I've used Taupe before from ANASTASIA. It should be good. This retails for $23. And then we also got a liquid lip in Malt. I do see these a lot at TJ Maxx, but I actually don't have the shade. These are more drying. I don't really mind it. I actually don't own a ton like this color, so I'm really excited to have that one. I always see that one at TJ, I just never pick it up. And then also really happy about this. We got the Lash Brag Mascara. I think this one came out last year. I'm definitely always curious in trying out different mascaras, and this one is new to me, so I cannot wait to test this formula. I actually am in dire need of mascara right now. I had to throw out a bunch that had just been super old and dried up. I know you're supposed to replace your mascara like every 6 months, is it? Or 3 months? Maybe 6 months. But I cannot wait to try out this formula of mascara. It retails for $25. It says it gives dramatic, full volume, defined lashes. So really awesome premium box. Really, I don't think Ipsy is going to beat this at all if we were doing a competition. This is amazing. One of the best ever. Okay, let's get into my Ipsy for July as well. They kind of throw everything in a big box, so I try to organize it as much as I can. So hopefully these are like the correct items. This is the bag this month. It is gold and it has like these teal accents on it. This one I think is $12 a month. You usually get little sample sizes. So the first thing I got is from First Aid Beauty. It's the Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. I have tried this before and it's okay. It's not my favorite primer, but I might just use little sample sizes to kind of see it again. It's been a while since I've used it, like probably a year or so. And then I also got a little mini eyeshadow from Nomad. They make pretty good eyeshadow palettes that are featured a lot in Ipsy. I feel like my camera is not focusing today. I hope I've been in focus. I don't know. Anyways, this is one of the little singles. Sometimes we get the full sizes in the bigger Ipsys. So this is in the color Cartagena. I think it's a gold. I'll swatch it. Really gorgeous though. Like the pigment is amazing on these. We also got here a little Artist Couture. Is this supposed to be in the other bag maybe? This is a lip oil from Artist Couture. Very nice. Very good for summer. The lip oils have been super trendy, so I am very excited about this. It looks like it might have a little tint to it. It just says Delicious Silky Lips. It looks pretty much clear. Just a regular old lip oil. We'll just have to see how the formula is. And then we also received this, which is from Hip Dot. So this is it says Red Moon. Is this an eyeshadow? This is pretty. It looks like a blush. I don't think I've ever really seen Hip Dot much in Ipsy, especially in the small bags, but this looks so pretty. I think it's definitely a blush. This will be a fun one for summer. It's very pigmented, really smooth, soft formula. Their eyeshadows are pretty decent too, so excited to try that out. And then we also got this, which is exciting. I love this stuff. This is from Briogeo. It's their Superfood Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Hair Mask. I have the full size of this and I love it, so this will be awesome to put in my little travel bag. But it's such a good one. It smells delicious, like a fruit smoothie. It's so good. Makes my hair so soft, and it really helps, I think, with like frizz. So I really like it for summer. And then lastly, I got this KVD product. It's a cake pencil. It says Intensely Rich Longwear Eyeliner. I don't know if this is a new formula from them or what, but it's super, super creamy. I hope it doesn't like budge though, because sometimes if it's too creamy, it might like transfer. But it says long wear, so I'm thinking it's supposed to be pretty good. This is in Trooper Black 10. And that is what I got in the sample Ipsy bag. Honestly, some great products. Pretty excited about that bag this month. But let's get into the Glambag Plus. This one usually has the full-size goodies. Also, I'm trying to go through these products fairly quickly because when I watch unboxings, I really just want to see the products when I do it. So since we have a lot to go through, that's why I'm going through them really fast and giving just a quick summary. So the first thing in the Glambag Plus, we got these Wonder Beauty eye masks. So we have more eye masks. So I might put these in the giveaway. Also these brushes as well. I get so many brushes in these subscription boxes. These are from MOTD. So we got some face brushes from them. We also received this from Il Makiage, another mascara. I'll probably hold on to this and test out the formula because I am curious. I really haven't tried much from Il Makiage, but I think they just did a collab with Carly Bible, didn't they? I think so. So this is a Lift, Curl, and Lengthen Mascara. Excited for that. And then I feel like I messed something up because there's like stuff all over the place. I don't know if I missed a product. Maybe the lip oil was supposed to be in here. Anyways, I also got this Dr. Eve Youth Vitamin C Night Moisturizer. Like I said, I just did a skincare declutter. I'm not super interested in this, guys, so I'm going to put that in the giveaway. So that is what was in the Glambag Plus. I'm thinking maybe the lip oil was supposed to be in there, but I don't know if that's a full size because it doesn't seem like enough products. But overall, I don't think the Plus was very good at all this month. It just did not seem exciting. I know they've been kind of putting their good products, it seems, in the Glambag X only, but I think they kind of need to redistribute it through everything or maybe get rid of one of the boxes because it's kind of a lot. I'm just a little bit underwhelmed. So overall, Boxycharm, I really loved the premium this month. I did like the little Ipsy bag as well. Those are probably my favorites of the unboxing. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. For the giveaway, I will be giving away these brushes from MOTD as well as these Wonder Beauty eye masks, the Anastasia Loose Setting Powder, and also the Dermalect Retinol Trifecta Serum. To enter the giveaway, you must be subscribed to my channel, of course. We have a lot of fun here. We love shopping, videos, makeup, fragrance, all that good stuff. And also leave a comment down below about anything you want. Also leave me your Instagram handle so I can contact you if you are the winner. I'll end it a week from today, and the winner will be in my description box. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.